Hello guys, I'm Julian and today in this video I show you how to open ISO files in Windows 11 last update. The application like Power ISO and many others are not working in this update. In this video I show you two modes how to open the file easy and quick. And you don't need anymore the application. Only with Windows you can open. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe, don't cost you anything and helps me a lot. Hit the like button and leave a comment down below, don't forget this. This was all for today. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and hit the like button. Have a nice day.